Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvet Locks coming back to you with another video, you guys. Now listen, this is not my normal detox and weight loss video, but this is something that I think all of us can use now, and all of us can try to make this at home to protect our family. Because of the coronavirus, there's a lack of supply with so much in our country, and not only a lack of supply, but when you try to buy it, the price is crazy. All right, now I just want to show you something real quick. This is hand sanitizer that I bought at, I don't even remember where exactly. I think it was just a regular convenience store. I think this is probably about a good maybe 10-ounce bottle of hand sanitizer, and you see how much I paid for it, right? $1.49. I don't know if the glare is there from this camera, but $1.49. okay? And in the stores, something like this will go for maybe, I mean, online, you're talking maybe 20 something, 30 something dollars for this alone. I was in a store the other day and I saw some hand sanitizers right at the countertop, and when I asked how much it was, and it was a size bottle like this, $5. You understand? $5. So what I'm going to do now is show you how to make your own hand sanitizer, and it's just as effective as the ones we purchase in the store. Okay? It's so easy, it's so simple, and you can make as much as you need. All you would need is the following items: some rubbing alcohol. So get some rubbing alcohol, no less than 91%. All right? So 91% of alcohol. You're also going to need some aloe vera gel, okay? And of course, something just to make it smell nice, some essential oils. This is not necessary, but you can add that in there, as well as a storage container, okay? Now in this video, we're going to be using some measuring cups, a bowl, a funnel, and a spoon. So let's get into this video. I'm going to show you exactly what to make. For your rubbing alcohol, you're going to need a 2/3 cup of rubbing alcohol. Like I said, you guys, 91%. And if you can find anything higher than that, that's good too. Now we're going to use our aloe vera gel. And for the aloe vera gel, we're going to use 1/3 cup of aloe vera gel. Okay, you put that right in your bowl. Aloe vera gel is something that you should always keep in your house because it has so many wonderful benefits for our bodies, for our health, for our hair, for our skin. It is a wonderful thing to keep in your cupboard. Now you just use at least 8 to 10 drops of your essential oil, and I love the smell of lemon. I love that citrusy smell, so I'm going to use 8 to 10 drops of that. Okay. And next we just whisk that. And you just mix that in really good. Now, I don't really smell the lemons, the lemon essential oil, because that alcohol is very strong. And as you wisp it, it's going to get thicker. Now I'm going to add in a little bit more of my lemon. Now this will not work if you have witch hazel, okay? It's not going to sanitize anything with witch hazel. And as you keep stirring, this is going to get thicker. Next, you're just going to get your little bottle, something to pour it into. And we're just going to put this in there. Now, good thing I have extra storage bottles. Wow, that filled up real quick. But we are not going to waste it. And there you have it, you guys. Oh yeah. And it smells just as the other ones, if anything, stronger and more effective. All right, so there it is, you guys, a simple, easy DIY on how to make your own hand sanitizer for your family. Buy a nice big thing of rubbing alcohol, 91% and over, if you can find over, some of your aloe gel, and some essential oil drops, and there you have it. Okay, so there you go, you guys. So this will definitely help you along the way. Keep your hands clean, keep it sanitized. If you're out in public and you're touching, like say if you're on the bus, you're on the train and you're not wearing gloves, or if you're in the office and you're touching all sorts of stuff, this is effective. Okay, thank you so much for joining me on this wonderful video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. If you want to see more of these life-saving tips and hacks, I got more coming your way, especially now that this is really something crucial and we all need to protect ourselves. So this is a DIY on how to make your own personal size hand sanitizer that's even more effective, just as effective as the ones you buy in the store. All right, thank you again, and I will see you in the next video. Welcome, YouTube family. This is the Velvet Locks introducing to you my new channel, and this channel is called Velvet Vlogs. On this channel you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs. Okay, so check it out, go down below, click those links, and subscribe, as well as turn on your notification bell, and I will see you there.